Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to add a full reel to your Instagram story. If you are trying to share an entire reel to your story, here is a quick guide on how to do it. First, open Instagram and navigate to the reel you want to share. You can either find it on your feed or on the Reels tab. Once you've opened the reel, tap the paper airplane icon located below the reel. Then add reel to your story. In the share menu, tap on add reel to your story. This will take you to the story editor where you can preview the reel in your story. Instagram only shows a 15-second preview of the reel in stories by default. But here is a tip. You can adjust or zoom in the reel to include key parts in the story. If you want to give credit to the original creator or add a caption, you can use the text tool or mention them using the add symbol. And once you're happy with how the reel looks, tap your story to share it with your followers. Now they will be able to review the full reel directly from your story. And that's it. Now you've successfully shared the full reel on your Instagram story. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.